Shabuot means weeks, and we call it that because we count 7 weeks from Pesach until that day. In Torah, it's presented as a harvest festival. The Hachamim, however, recognize it as Zeman Matan Toratenu, which is the time that our Torah was given. So our celebration of Shavuot and our commemoration of Shavuot revolves entirely around the Torah, the giving of the Torah, and what it is that it means to us. So on Shavuot, we also consider how we receive Torah, how it is that we incorporate it into our lives. I mean, the day itself doesn't have a huge amount of unique behavior in it. It's just a Yom Tov, it's a festival. There are no paraphernalia, no matzah, and there's no sukkah, it's just the day. And so it is very much a day in which we consider what Torah means to us in our lives. We also recognize its connection to Pesach, because if Pesach is about freedom, well, how do we live free? What is the world about? The Torah provides us a framework for reality. It teaches us how it is that we should consider what is right and what is wrong and what is beneficial and what isn't. What should we engage in and how should we refrain from things? We recognize that it is the source of our national wisdom, and it has kept our people alive and strong for 3,000 years. We have been thinking and speaking in it for all of that time. So it is very much at the soul of who we are, and it's because of that that our covenant with God at Sinai 3,000 years ago was established through the giving of the Torah. Shavuot is the time that we think about what Torah means to us and how it has enriched our lives and kept us as a people.